Alright, well, I was going to film it when it was in primer and everything, but my daughters were using the camera. They're making a movie with their Furbies that they're having a blast. So that's all that mattered. But anyway, there we go. We got a clean black Y block. The valve covers I'm going to paint separate. They're on there. They were just on there to protect so I don't get any paint in the valve train. And then the oil pan has a couple dents on the bottom. They're not factory dents, they're dents. So I'm going to pull it off and kind of mess with those just a touch. And that way I can clean it up better. But I left it on so I don't get any paint in the crank rods and bearings and all that kind of stuff. And yep. Got mama calling to see what's going on here. Alright, I'm back. Can't remember what I said already, so just kind of go over it again. Got the engine painted. My daughters were making a movie with their Furbies, so they had the camera batteries getting a little kind of low, but they were having a blast making up sets and all that kind of stuff, so I wasn't going to stop them from doing that. But anyway, looks pretty good. I'm digging it. So the goal is the valve covers and the intake manifold. The valley I didn't get a chance to clean up yet. I got to clean that up and paint it. But the intake manifold and these will be metal flaked and candy coated. That's the goal. So hopefully that works out good. The dipstick tube, I didn't paint it because I got to change it with the exhaust manifolds that I got to run. I got to bend it to a certain angle and everything. So I'll do that after I get it. After I get that and get my intake or my exhaust manifolds. Once I do all that, then work on that. But anyway, so I'm gonna let this sit, dry off, and then probably come out and take the tape off tomorrow when I get home from work. Maybe pull the pan off too and get it started. Got a couple little dents to knock out and just gotta do a little better job cleaning it. But I have my new intake, or actually all the gaskets I need. I got everything but exhaust gaskets. That's the only one I didn't get. But I got that done. Got that dude cleaned out on the inside quite a bit. You can kind of see the stuff that I took out already. And yeah, tried to avoid clutch dust as best I could with the mask. But anyway, it's looking pretty good. Gonna flip it over and do the back side, the side that I'm actually gonna paint. So I'll give that one more wipe out. I wasn't looking for perfection with that. I just wanted it cleaned out because it was a mess. So we're gonna do the back side now, or the outside I guess it would be. And then we'll get that ready to paint. And if all goes well, we'll be painting that Saturday. I'll take my flywheel, which is right over there, over and have it surfaced at one of the little machine shops close by. Dude's been doing it forever. It's actually at a Napa. They have a small machine shop, and this dude looks like a machinist from the 60s. It's pretty cool. Pretty much all the flywheels and rotors, all that kind of stuff that my dad and I have ever had done, we've taken to him, and he's still doing it. So I'm gonna run that over to him on Saturday morning next week, have that surfaced and cleaned up so it's ready to go. And then hopefully my clutch will be here some point in time this week, and if all works well, then Sunday morning maybe we'll put the motor in and it'll be in for good for a while. You know, of course probably have to pull it out 3 more times for some damn reason, but we're gonna give it a shot anyway. So I'm gonna clean up some more parts. I'm gonna clean up that bell housing. I'm gonna clean up that inspection cover. I guess that's what it's called. And then move the clutch and pressure plate. Move those out to the backyard because I don't need those right now. I got them. There's more than one clutch offered on this. Unfortunately, the website I had measurements, so I was able to take all my measurements and figure out if I had the right and ordered the right one. So hopefully I ordered the right everything. I just had second thoughts about my throwout bearing. Hopefully I ordered the right one. We'll find out. If I didn't, I'm gonna figure out what one I ordered and then measure it to make sure it's the right one. That's the only one I'm pretty sure I did. I just all of a sudden had doubts about it out of nowhere. So we'll double check that. No big deal. It was cheap. So if I got to order a different one, I'll just order the next one tomorrow and it'll get here probably a day later. But anyway, so yeah, so we're gonna get some more cleaning up to do. I'm happy with the way that thing's looking. I would have liked to have done the single stage on it, but just not too sure about that stuff, so I know how to do this stuff, so that's what I did. I guess it probably wouldn't have really mattered since it's you know, all the castings are still on it, but that's okay. We're gonna try it on that thing. If everything works out good and the weather's right next week, and then we'll be spraying single stage on that next weekend, so that'll be cool. That, and then the inspection cover that's right there. So anyway, I finished wiring up my lights. I had a wire that broke off, or not my lights, but my outlets had a wire that broke off in there. But for some reason my light's not working, and so I'll probably just one evening this week, I'll take it apart and see what I did wrong. I'm sure it's something that I hooked up wrong. But it's not tripping the breaker, so I didn't hook it up too wrong. Anyway, so here we go. Gonna get back to work. Been talking too much. I got a little vlog video that I'm gonna upload now, and then we'll see you guys in a little bit if I get more work done. Just again, thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing, commenting, really appreciate it. Can't believe I've been doing this for over a year now. I can't believe, I think I'm knocking on 400 subscribers now. Never would have dreamed that, but very, very cool. Some cool people out there. I'd say the YouTube garage guys are some pretty hard-working people. There's a lot of guys that are you know, getting out there and doing things, so that's cool. A wide assortment of things too. So anyway, you guys take it easy. I gotta stop talking. Maybe I need to open up the door, get some fresh air in here. I don't know. But yeah, so if you guys are Super Bowl people, hope your team wins that you want. And that's about it. We'll talk to y'all later. Be good. Now my battery's about dead, but yeah, she's pretty cleaned up. It is Super Bowl Sunday. So once I got all the crap cleaned off this inspection cover, looks like something let loose inside this clutch at some point in time. That thing's all nice. The side's a little roughed up there. Yeah, kind of interesting. Anyway, so I think I'm gonna pound that flat and weld up those spots just so I know this thing's solid. I don't think I'll get to it today, but that might be a power hour job this week. So anyway, I'm gonna throw some etch primer on that, and then close up shop, call it a day. It is, let's see, what time is it? It's 4:05. So gonna clean up out here, go clean myself up, and then get ready for movie night. So you guys all have a good week. Hope you had a good weekend. Have a good Monday. I'll probably be out in the garage this week after work at some point in time, and if I am, I'll bring you guys along. So again, thanks for everything, guys. You guys have a good one. Be good. Take it easy.